In this video, I'll show you how to export a Shopify theme. This is useful if you want to back up your current theme, move a theme to another Shopify store, or save a copy before making changes. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This opens the Themes page for your Shopify store. Now find the theme you want to export. This could be your current live theme or one of your draft themes. Next to the theme, click the three dots to open the Actions menu. Now click Download Theme File. Shopify will prepare a copy of the theme and send it to the email address connected to your Shopify staff login. The theme will be sent as a zip file. Once the email arrives, open it and download the zip file to your computer. You can now keep this file as a backup, or you can upload it to another Shopify store later if you need to. Just remember, this exports the theme files and theme settings. It does not export your products, orders, customers, or other store data. Those need to be exported separately. And that's it, you've now exported a Shopify theme. Hope that helps.